In last class, we learnt about interpolation. Interpolation means estimating some value of y with a given values. We can use three methods to estimate the value, interpolate the value. One is graphic method, another one is Lagrange's method, another one is Gregory-Newton formula. Here we have two types. One is forward, another one is backward. Okay. We see one example for Lagrange's. They have given the year 1982, 1983, 1984, 1986. In Lagrange's method, no need of equal distance. No need. See, one difference, two difference. So no need for equal distance. Profit they have given in lakhs. In 1982, 150 lakh for profit, 235 for 83, 365 for 1984, 525 for 1986. Question is, estimate the profit for the year 1985 using Lagrange's method. Okay, we go for the solution. X naught is, this is X naught, this is X1, this is X2, this is X3. So we have written the answer. We have to find the value when X is equal to 1985. Find Y when X is equal to 1985. So X is 1985. This is Y0, this is Y1, this is Y2, this is Y3. We write the formula. So we have to find out Y. For this particular X, I have to find out Y. Y formula is Y0 multiplied by some terms in numerator, some terms in denominator. Denominator we have, if it is Y0, you start with X0. X0 minus all the X value you subtract except X0. X0 minus X1, X0 minus X2, X0 minus X3. Numerator, same term. Instead of X0, I have to write X. X minus X1, X minus X2, X minus X3. Addition. Y1 into X1 minus, subtract all the X except X1. X1 minus X0. X1 minus X1 don't want. X1 minus X2, X1 minus X3. Numerator, instead of this X1, I have to write X. X minus X0, X minus X2, X minus X3. Addition. Y2 into, similarly, X2 minus X0. Check the formula. Now we have to substitute these value and write. For substitution also we have a very short method. Always try to use that. Otherwise, if you continuously writing the numbers, if you lose one number or if you lose one sign, whole answer goes wrong. So to find the numerator, see what are the numerator? All the X values are subtracted from X. X minus. See? So numerator contain X subtraction. So for numerator, what I am going to write is X is 1985, this is X0, this is X1, this is X2, this is X3. I am going to subtract and write, subtract. This from this, 1985 minus 1982, answer is 3. 1985 minus 1983, answer is 2. 1985 minus 1984, answer is 1. 1985 minus 1986 is answer minus 1. Very simple. First numerator, you leave the first number. Remaining numbers you multiply. For second term, you leave the second term, multiply the other three numbers. For the third numerator, leave the third number, multiply 3, 2 and minus 1. For the fourth term, you leave the last number, fourth term, and multiply 3, 2, 1. So very simple. For denominator, we will check the denominator. What is we have in the denominator? X0 minus we have in the first denominator. In the next second denominator, you have X1 minus. In the third denominator, you have x2 minus. In the fourth denominator, you have x3 minus. So, in the denominator, I don't want x. I want x0, x1, x2, x3 and x0, x1, x2, x3. Only subtraction. I have filled the answer, numbers. Going to subtract these two. This becomes 0. This becomes minus 1. 1982 subtraction 1984, it is minus 2. 1982 subtraction 1986, it is minus 4. You multiply the answer, leave the 0. Leave the 0, you multiply, minus 8 is the answer. x1, 1983. Subtract. 1983 minus 1982, it is 1. 1983 minus 1983, it is 0. Leave the 0. 1983 minus 1984, it is minus 1. 1983 minus 1986, it is minus 3. Multiply the answer, leave the 0. Answer is plus 3. So x2, 1984. I have to subtract. This becomes 2. This becomes 1. This becomes 0. Leave the 0. This becomes minus 2. If you multiply, it is minus 4. Third, 1986. You subtract. This is 4. This is 3. This is 2. This is 0. Leave the 0. Multiply. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So take and write y0, y1, y2 and y3 from the question. y0, y1, y2, y3 from the question. Now I am going to substitute in the formula. y0 into first term numerator is, leave the first number, multiply the remaining numbers, so minus 2. First term denominator is minus 8 plus y1 into second term, leave number 2, multiply the remaining number, it is minus 3. Second denominator is plus 3. Addition, y2 into y2, leave the third number, multiply the remaining number, 3 2s are 6 into minus 1 minus 6 divided by minus 4. Fourth, plus 525 into, leave the last number for the numerator, multiply 3 2 1, it is 6 divided by 24. Very very simple. Now you can simply cancel minus, multiply, divide by 8, you will get this answer. Only one minus, so write subtraction. 3 3 get cancelled, so minus 235. Minus minus get cancelled. If you multiply these two and divide by 4, answer is 547.5. No minus, so addition. This if you cancel, it is 4. You divide 525 by 4, answer is this. So add all the numbers 1, 2 and 3. Subtract 235, you will get 481.25 is the answer. Very simple. Directly you can substitute and get. This will be easy even if it is asked 3 marks or 5 marks. Okay. For numerator, you have to subtract from the x. For denominator, you have to subtract all the x with all the x's. Okay. Leave all the number, find the product. Very simple. Second problem. In miscellaneous problem, using Lagrange's, they have given using Lagrange's formula, find the polynomial which passes through 3 points, 0, minus 12, 1, 0, 3, 6, 4, 12. First term and all x, this is x0, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3. So 0, 1, 3, 4. This is y0, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3. So instead of giving in table, they have given in the coordinate points. So you must know how to write this. Now take and write x0, x0, the x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. We have to find the polynomial in x. That means they did not give the value of x. We have to find y in terms of x. Okay. Now we'll see. X is not given, numerator. In the first sum what we saw, they have given the value of x as 1985. Here they did not give x value. So I'll keep x as it is. x0 I have written, x1 I have written, x2 I have written, x3 I have written. For numerator I have to subtract from x. Okay, x minus 0, it is x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4. Numerator is over. For denominator, write all the x. Here also you write all the x, you subtract. 0 subtraction 0 is 0, you leave it. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. If you multiply, answer is minus 12. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, you leave it. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. If you multiply, answer is plus 6. x2 is 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. You leave the 0. 3 minus 4 minus 1, you multiply, it is minus 6. x3 equal to 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. 4 minus 4, 0. You leave it. Multiply the remaining number. So you know y0, y1, y2, y3. So we write the formula. You know already the formula. So what is the formula? Shall we write in some place? Formula. Y equal to y0 into x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. Numerator x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. We'll check. y0 is minus 12. For numerator, what I have to do, I have to leave the first term and write the remaining. X minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4 divided by first denominator is minus 12. Second term, y1 into, what is my y1? 0. So it becomes 0. So I don't write. I don't have the space, so I don't write. So y1 into it becomes 0. Third, y2 into y1, it becomes 0, so I am leaving that answer. y2 into, what is my denominator? x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3. Numerator x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3. I don't write x2 minus, that x2 I mustn't get. So y2, what is my y2? y2 is 6. Okay, first, second, third term. Third term means you leave x minus 3. These 3 I must have. x minus 1, x minus 4. Divided by minus 6 plus. What is the last one? x3, y3 into. y3 into. Denominator is x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2. Numerator is x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. Now we'll check. y3. y3 is 12. I have to leave the last term. In the numerator, I have to, this is the numerator. This is the numerator. I have to leave last term. x minus 1, x minus 3, I must take. Divided by 12. Only thing you have to solve by multiplying. Minus 12 get cancelled. First I multiply these two. X minus 1, x minus 3 I am going to multiply. X square. Add these two numbers, it is minus 4x. Multiply these two numbers, it is plus 3. X minus 4 I have written, next line I will multiply. This becomes 0. 6 cancel, minus sign is here, so minus x. I will multiply this one. How will I multiply? X minus 1, x minus 4, you know, x square. Add minus 5x, multiply plus 4. So answer is this. Plus 12 get cancel. Outside you have x. I have to multiply these two. Now tell me the answer how to multiply. X square. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4x. Minus 1 minus 3, if you multiply it will plus 3. Now one more line is there. I have to multiply these 3 with the x first. multiply with x. Tell me the answer. X cube minus 4x square plus 3x. Now multiply with minus 4. Minus 4x square plus 16x minus 12. Multiply with minus x. Minus x cube plus 5x square minus 4x. Multiply with plus x. Answer is x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. I have to consolidate all that. X cube, this is 1 x cube, this is 1 x cube, this is 1 x cube. These two get cancelled. So only 1 x cube is there. X square minus 4x square is minus 8x square. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3x square. Minus 3x square minus 4x square is minus 7x square. So x square over x, 3x plus 16x, 19x minus 4x. So 15x plus 3x, 18x. Number minus 12. Only one number is there, minus 12. So this is a polynomial we have formed using Lagrange's. Why it is in terms of x? Because they did not give x value, x number. They did not give the value for x. So I keep x as it is. So I got the answer as x. Okay. Next interpolation. Gregory-Newton forward formula. We learn the formula first. Then we do a problem related with that. Gregory-Newton forward formula. I must find x. F of x means y. I can write f of x or y also. Formula is f of x naught plus n divided by 1 factorial delta f of x naught plus n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square f of x naught plus n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 terms are there, so divided by 3 factorial delta cube f of x naught, etc. What is x? X is nothing but x naught plus nh. In Gregory-Newton forward or backward formula, x will be given in equal intervals. X will be given in equal intervals. Okay. So we have to keep on adding 1 or keep on adding 5 or whatever it may be. So this is the full formula. Instead of writing this, you can also use in terms of y. Among these two, this will be simple. So learn this formula, that will be easy for you. Instead of f of x, I'll write y. F of x naught means y naught plus n by 1 factorial delta y naught. n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught, etc. What is x? This you have to learn as it is. X equal to x naught plus nh. X equal to x naught plus nh. Now in miscellaneous problem, we have one to apply Newton forward formula. Problem is given in this way. Find f of x. So this is x. This is x. What is x? 0.5. What they have given, f of minus 1 is 202. That is, when x is minus 1, y is 202. When x is 0, y is 175. When x is 1, y is 82. When x is 2, y is 55. Shall I write the answer in table now? X is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Y is 202, 175, 82 and 55. This is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is y naught, leave as it is. Now these two are given. I am going to find these 3 columns. This is read as delta y. Delta means difference. We have learnt in exercise 5.1. Difference, finding the value, difference of y. So from here you have to do 175 minus 202. Smaller number minus greater number. Answer will be minus 27. Right in middle of these two. Next, 82 subtraction 175. Smaller number minus bigger number. So answer is minus. If you subtract, you will get 93, right middle of these two. 55 subtraction minus 82. Answer is minus 27. So delta y is over. Now delta square y. One more time you subtract. Minus 93 subtraction minus 27. Minus 93 subtraction minus 27 means it is plus 27. Answer is minus 66, bigger number sign. Next, minus 27 plus 93, bigger number sign, it is plus, difference is plus 66. No other number to subtract. So I'll go for delta cube y. 66 from here. 66 subtraction minus 66, so it will become plus 66, is it 132. For forward formula, what they are asking us to find out? They are asking us to find out y value. They have given x as 0.5. Where is 0.5? Here. This is 0.5. Where is it? Minus 1 to 0. 0.5 is here. This is 0.5. 0.5. It is in the beginning of x, so I use forward formula. When x is 1.5, you use backward formula. When x is middle or above the middle, you use forward formula. So x is 0.5, they have given. I know the formula. You have to memorize this. X is 0.5. X naught means minus 1 plus n. H is difference. See, difference is 1, 1, 1, 1. Number line, I draw the number line. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Difference is 1. So H is 1. I don't know n. I must find out n. Minus 1, when it goes here, it will become plus 1. 1.05. N into 1 is n. So I have found out n. In the formula, I want n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. I'll subtract and keep it here so that it will be easy for me to substitute. N is 1.5. N minus 1 means 1.5 minus 1, it is 0.5. N minus 2 means 1.5 minus 2, it is minus 0.5. N minus 3 means 1.5 minus 3, it is minus 1.5. In the formula, I need 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. What is 1 factorial? 1. What is 2 factorial? 1 into 2, so 2. What is 3 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3, so it is 6. I don't want 4 factorial, so I leave this. Okay. Now my formula is this one. What is the formula? Gregory-Newton forward formula is y equal to y naught plus n. N you have found out. N into delta y naught by 1 factorial plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught. I have only till delta cube, so you finish with delta cube, no need of writing other. Now I am going to substitute. What is my y naught? 202. What is my delta y naught? Here, what is the first y? Minus 27. So this is delta y naught. What is delta square y naught? In delta square, first value, minus 66. What is delta cube y naught? In delta cube y, first value, only one value, so it is 132. So we'll substitute. Y naught is 202 plus n. N is 1.5. into delta y naught means minus 27 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, that is 2 delta square y naught minus 56 plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6 into delta cube y naught, that is 132. Very simple. Simplify, you get the answer as 128.5. These two sums in 5.2, 4, 6, 5, 3, we'll see the PDF. Okay. After PDF, we'll come back to Gregory-Newton backward formula. I will tell you the formula. After that, we'll see. Backward means from backward, I have to take the y values. So, y of x is equal to yn, last y. Forward means first y naught. Backward means last yn. N by 1 factorial. This is called nebula. Nebula, we read that as nebula yn. You have to find the difference. There you have to take the last y. n plus 1 by 2 factorial. In forward I use n minus 1. In backward I am already in back. I have to go front. So I have to add plus 1 by 2 factorial nebula square yn plus n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial nebula cube yn, etc. What is x? X equal to xn plus nh. In forward formula, forward x answer is x naught plus nh. In backward x equal to xn plus nh. Okay, so we see the formula later. I will send you the homework. Write these three formulas, write Lagrange's formula and Gregory-Newton forward formula alone. Only formula. Learn the formula, you can do the problem very well. So very simple. Now we go for the clippings PDF for exercise 5.2 for the 4 problems.